How to use Prestige Unlock Token in Warzone. First of all, get your controller, whether you're on Xbox or PlayStation, then press the menu button. Once you've done that, this will pop up on the screen where you want to scroll along to the right hand side until you get to progression. Click in there, then click on level unlocks in this progression menu. There you'll see all the different possible unlocks. For most of you, you'll probably want to unlock something that's towards one of the later ranks, level 55 potentially. So you can scroll along for each of them there. Pick whichever one you want. For me personally, I picked Overkill because I like a secondary sniper class. So what I've done is go ahead, got to level 24, go ahead and click on that item itself, so the Overkill perk. You can go ahead and press and hold the Y button on that. That will use the permanent unlock token. Once you press that, then you click use permanent unlock token like I've done there. Then if you go back into your class, you'll be able to go ahead and use that even though you're level 1. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.